Easy spikes trading strategies using trend support and resistance levels. Okay, these are what we'll be looking at in today's video. Okay, how you can trade spikes successfully without having any hiccups. Okay, if you have been trading boom and crash, you will understand what I mean by trading spikes. Okay, because spikes has been the dreadful stuff that has been affecting most people in trading boom and crash normally. So this time around, we're taking the bull by the horn. We're trying to see how we can trade spikes successfully using the trend support and resistance level, and I'm going to make it very easy for you to understand so that you will know how to go about it. But first, I want you to quickly do this for me while I try to do the market analysis. Okay, I want you to get your notepad ready. I also want you to get your pen ready. So and try as much as possible to give me just few minutes, full 15 minutes, just for us to go through this training together. Okay, so before going fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect whatever strategies I explain in any of my videos first before trying it out on your real account. Whenever you are practicing, make sure you do that on your demo account. Okay, that is very, very important. And if you have any question, feel free to browse through feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And do not forget to join my Telegram channel so that you can benefit directly from me. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it, and set the notification to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, with that, with the introduction done, okay, I would like to welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. Okay, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market before we go fully into what we have for today. Okay, quickly, we are starting with boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Wow, there is an invincible spike here. As you can see, there is an invisible spike here. Okay, so let's see what is happening in the markets at the moment. As you can see, the market has been going up and down for boom 1000. When it got to this support level, it spiked up, came down to that same level again, it spiked up. That is why it is always important you know three things in trading. Okay, or before you start trading, you should know the trend, how to analyze the trend. Then you should know your support and resistance level. Those three things are very, very vital in trading. They can help you to make a lot of profit, and they can also um, they can also let the market go the other way around if you don't know how to identify them. Okay, so all these three things are very, very vital. So as you can see, it got to this support level, it spiked up. Okay, then it retested the support level again, and this time around gave us a bigger spike and another smaller spike after the bigger spike. Okay, so that is how it works. So once you know how to identify all these, then you will be able to avoid all these areas in order not to be hook up in the market for a very long time, or not to lose your money. Okay, so as you can see, it's been from here it was on uptrend. From here it was on a very long uptrend, but when it got to this resistance level, it started coming down, and it came down to that support level again, and it's been spiking up. So I'm going to say it's more of uptrend than downtrend. So if you must trade boom 1000, trade carefully and make sure you follow the signal on the indicator, okay, and make sure you follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, right now it is going on downtrend, so the signal, whenever it sells, then you can sell around there. Then make sure you exit your trade just before getting to the support level, okay, because I said it might spike at the support level does not mean you should wait till it gets there before um it's before you exit the market. Okay, there is what we call support levels. That is, there is a certain range which this support can be. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into any trade today. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000, and I'm using the crusher indicator. As you can see, we had a little drop down candles here within this little downtrend period, okay, but right now we got a buy signal here. The market was not deciding around here, so check out here, this is where it broke out from that resistance level, and it's been up since then. Most of the resistance level were being broken, and this has actually given us 35 minutes candles. Okay, so this is amazing. If you follow the signal, you will always get it right. That is after practicing with it. Okay, if you don't practice with it, then you won't know how to go about it. Then there is one more thing I need to highlight here. You can see check out here, the trend was coming from an uptrend. Okay, it was on an uptrend here. We got a buy signal here, got confirmed here using the crusher indicator. This actually gave us 45-minute candles. That was amazing, isn't it? But after getting to this resistance level, it spiked. It dropped down. Okay, it dropped down, went up again to that same level. Like I said, this is the resistance level. Went up again to that same level, dropped down again, went to that same level and dropped down again, because it tested it a second time here and a third time here, and it dropped down. This time around it led to a very long downtrend. Then check out here again, it is still at the same level here again. That is why we had this drop down candle, but it was broken here. Of course, if you were in the market, if I was to be in the market, let's say I was in the market and it was approaching this level again, I'm going to exit the market around here, because it has tested this level several times, so I shouldn't joke with it. Even if it's going to break it, I don't know, but the first thing I should do is to exit the market first before it gets there. And unfortunately it broke that resistance level, so after breaking it I can come in again and look at the next resistance level. So that is how to do your analysis anyway, in order for you to trade successfully. So let's check out what is happening with boom 500. For boom 500, I will be using the QDC scraper indicator, and as you can see, it's been on a very long uptrend, as you can see it, but right now it is now going back on downtrend. So check out, we got our sell signal here, then the trend was on has given us its own signal too, so it will be going on a very long sell. Okay, but be careful, the reason is it was coming from an uptrend, so it might take some time before it goes fully into downtrend, but it will definitely go into downtrend. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator. Okay, I'm using the NT indicator. The market is yet to decide fully. It wanted to go on downtrend but trying to pull back upward. Okay, so the market is consolidating around this period. Okay, you can check the consolidation period here. Okay, it is consolidating around this period, so if you must trade, wait for it to break this level. If it breaks this level either below or above it, will determine where it is actually going at the end of the day. So wait for it to break that period before you jump into the trade. So I'll be stopping there with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you'll be getting them in the description box below this video also. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Quickly, let's check out what we have for today, which is spikes trading strategies using trend support and resistance level. actually treating this topic over and over again just for you to know different strategies which you can use to trade spikes. Okay, today's one is a unique one because I will be talking about trend. Okay, you will be able to identify the trend and how to use the trend to trade it for a very long time. Then you will be seeing the support and resistance level. All these areas are very vital in trading it successfully. Okay, but first, for you to trade spikes, then you must be ready to see rates. Okay, you must be familiar with rate. Okay, so that is very important. Once you are familiar with rate, then you will be able to trade. That is why you need to know how to trade it. Okay, because it's like trading the opposites of the normal trend. Okay, because before a spike will happen, spikes happen suddenly. Okay, before it will happen, it is possible for it to be going the other way around. So you might be in red for a while, but that is part of trading. Seeing red is also part of trading. It shouldn't be blue all the time. Okay, so since it is part of trading, once you are used to it, then you are cool. Since you are in the right trend and you follow every other rules guiding it, it will definitely come to profit. Okay, a single spike will take you into profit. Okay, every opportunity, every support and resistance level gives you an opportunity to open more position if you have enough trading capital. So let's see how to go about this. Okay, we'll be using boom 500, and this is the setup we'll be looking at. Like I said, all these assets are trend trading assets. Okay, for boom 500, what we'll be looking at in order to trade spike is that the trend should be in uptrend. How do we identify the trend of the market? Okay, the QDC trend scraper can help us to identify the trend of the market right from the beginning for a very long time. Check out, the trend is starting here. You can see the uptrend arrow showing here. The trend is starting here. So at this stage, it is telling you that you should be getting ready to buy into the new trend. So once you see your uptrend arrow showing up on the main chart, you come in and place your order here. Okay, you come in and place your order here. Okay, and as you can see, your order is being placed on a support level. Okay, you can see the support level, even though it is untested, it needs to be obeyed. Okay, it needs to be obeyed because the reason is, at that level, you are most likely three things are confirming the changing of trend at that level. Number one, it is at a support level, either tested or untested, either verified or unverified. It is at a support level, and you can see the green bar here telling us that it is at a support level. Then the next thing is, this our trend indicator has also already given us a signal ahead of time that the trend is about to change from downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so you should be getting ready to place your order. Then we already got our buy arrow popping out, so place your order immediately. At least place your first order. You can use a small lot size for it in case it breaks that support level, but fortunately for us, this price action didn't break the support level. It spiked up just a few candles after getting our buy signal. Okay, so you can see it spiked up above the 4 MA candles, which was amazing. Okay, the second spike came up again, came down to the 4 MA candles again, spiked up and spiked up again. Okay, you can decide to close your trade here. If you don't have enough capital, you can decide to close your trade here because we already have our sell signal popping up. But check out here, this is another support level. As you can see, this is another support level, even though it was weak, but it is another support level, and we got our buy signal. So you can place your order again in order to benefit from the spikes again. You can see two spikes happened again, and you can always close your trade on this candle. Okay, you can always close your trade on this candle just before start going downward. Okay, you can close your trade on that candle. That is if you don't have enough trading capital. Okay, then you place another order here again. You can see this actually gave us three opportunities to three spiking opportunity, then close your trade here again, and this happens over and over. So check out here, this is another support level. We got our buy signal and the support level was there, and the market is still green. So all you need to do is just to place your order here, and the good thing about this is a tested and verified support level. Okay, so check it out, it spiked up several times and the market's price action got to that level again. You place your order on the support level and check it out, it spiked up to this level. Once you see a resistance level like this, you close your trade immediately, but because it is most likely the market reversed totally, and as you can see, the trend also changed, okay, to a downtrend, which means it might be going down on a downtrend for a very long time because it has gotten to a resistance level. So that is how to go about it. Another way to go about it is starting from here. You can come in here. This is our trend telling us that we should be getting ready, but we got our buy signal here. We got our buy signal on this candle, so we can place our trade around the support level and check it out, leave it open till the end of the trend. This is where the trend ended on. Okay, let me try and get the candle, the trend. Okay, you close your trade on this. Okay, you close your trade on this. Okay, you can see being in the market for a very long time. That is amazing, isn't it? This is we had our entry point here, and it's been spiking and spiking and spiking and spiking till it got to this level. I believe this is amazing. Okay, it is an amazing opportunity for you to milk the market successfully, for you to trade spikes in boom and crash and milk the market successfully without any hiccups. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I believe you enjoyed today's training. Watch this video over and over.